Good morning, guys. Want to add two more things to the watch list today. I know the last 2 days we've been watching the same few Disney, Amazon, APEN, and Apple, and looks like we got some pretty bloody futures going right now. Like I said, those are longer term plays, and it looks like they're heading in the right direction. Two things that caught my eye today that I'd like to add right here. SoFi. We're looking at it on the 1 hour chart. This is going to be a shorter term play. I'd like to buy puts on SoFi right now, probably for, let's say, December 16th, around the 450. I think you can pick a contract up for around 15, 16 cents. Um, so you're talking about less than 20 bucks to take a gamble on this one right here. 450 December 16th for the expiration. That's a kind of a short little play, more of a next 2 or 3 days. If it's not probably by Tuesday where we need to be, then I would abandon it. But let's add SoFi. It just looks really terrible on a shorter time frame. It just keeps making lower lows. You can even go all the way out to the daily, and right now we're struggling. We're struggling to stay above this low of 441. So I'm looking to take puts on that. I'm adding that to it today, and also Nvidia. I know that everybody's hype on the chip makers ramping up, but with Apple's concerns and problems, the supply chain issues still, and all that crap, I'm not liking it. Not to mention, we're still in a downtrend. We have been. We had some really nice dumps, really nice pumps, but the 200 moving average is coming up on it, and I believe, if anything, we might run up and tap it and get rejected just to make another lower high on this entire trend. All we've made is lower highs and lower lows. But my kind of what I'm seeing in the future on it is that we run up, we maybe kiss the 200, and then we fall back down to retest this 141 level before we bounce. I'm seeing, because it likes to do it a lot in its history, I'm seeing kind of I'll show you real quick, maybe we form this. I'm seeing this head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders kind of wanting to form, which would put us in line with spring into the middle of next year, getting a big breakout back up, which a lot of stuff is. So I'm going to go ahead and add Nvidia for a longer term put. I would more than likely be wanting to buy puts down around the 138, 140 mark. And I would be looking out a few months for sure. I probably would definitely, wouldn't go any shorter than in like middle of January on those puts. But add those, your Disney, Amazon, APN, Apple, all of that is starting to show great movement in our direction. So that's about all. I am not a day trader that's going to trade 50 stocks and make 50, 60, 100 trades a day. That's not what we're about in my Discord or my channel. We're looking for value plays. We're looking for very obvious technical analysis that's just screaming at you. And in today's market, it's not real hard to find. You just have to dig a little bit. So you can go to my channel and look at the bottom of any of my live streams, and even in my bios, I've got the link to the Discord, 7-day free trial. It's only $5 a month after that to get trade setups from me and two other traders all day. Crypto right now, if you want crypto, which is 24/7, and that's kind of a different thing I do on the channel. I love crypto, but I would definitely be short right now, especially Dogecoin. We've had such a magnificent run here lately, and that was alerted, and some guys made like 800% in Discord on it. Right here, we've got this rising channel, and we broke out of it. We broke out of it yesterday and closed a candle below it. I'm expecting our next targets down to be 0.094, 0.085, and 0.075. Those being our next three targets down before we reevaluate if we get a triple bottom or if we break below that. You can go to KuCoin or Binance or any of those other platforms that allow you to trade leverage. And I mean, I never go more than 5 or 10 times leverage. It's just dangerous. These markets are volatile. Some of my guys go 50, 100, craziness. I don't advise it. They do it, and they've had some really big wins lately. on some really, really small moves. So check that out. In my Discord, there's links to all these trading platforms. So please go check it out. But that's all I got for you today right here. Let's just hang on to the 4 or 5 that we're watching. Let's add SoFi and NVIDIA to it. And hang in there, guys. Let a trade play out. Buy yourself some time on these contracts. And let's just keep pounding this bear market all the way to the bottom. Thanks a lot. We'll see y'all tomorrow.